Hello, this is Mark Attia. This is my ECE 520 LAB1 demo, which is basically setting up all our software. So I'll take you here. And as you see, it's a little bit different for me because I'm actually not on Windows. I'm going to be using Ubuntu 22.04 Linux on my dual boot here. So I don't need things like the command line terminals for Windows like MSys32, but I could start by showing things like Clang, which I have here. If I see which Clang, I see that it has its directory right there. If I do the same thing for Clang++, show the same directory for Clang++, I can show my Git authentication here that I've done a while ago. That's me. I've authenticated. My GitHub works with SSH and everything. I can now run the next thing I believe was the STM software, the IDE over here gives me my directory. I may launch it. And if I get the terminal out of the way, I see everything loads up properly. And close that. And I do the next thing, which is going to be the programmer. It's going to be a little slow on my Mac, but as I see here, also loads up properly, ready to go. Next up is Vivado, which took quite some time, but has been installed successfully. Vivado definitely likes taking its time. Yep, Vivado works, ready to go. And finally, I believe the last thing was the Vitus software, which I can take you to right here. Directory, launch. And ready to go. So yeah, that concludes my LAB1 demo. Thanks for tuning in.